Someone asks what you did today. You want to tell them, but every word that comes out is stuck in right now. Nothing happened yesterday. Nothing happened an hour ago. Today, you learn how to actually talk about the past in Spanish. Real stories, real moments, said the right way.
Welcome back to English and Spanish Cafe. I am your host, and with me, as always, is my co-host, joining us from Spain.
Hola, everyone. Today's topic is one that so many of you have asked for. How do you talk about something that already happened? Your trip, your weekend, your day so far? Talking about yesterday is one of the most useful things you can learn in any language.
And we are doing this the same way we always do. No grammar terms, no conjugation charts, just real phrases you will actually use the moment you want to tell someone what you did.
By the end of this episode, you will be able to talk naturally about your day, your trip, and your week using simple past tense phrases. Let us go.
Your friend asks where you were this afternoon. Here is how you answer.
Fui a. I went to. Fui means I went. A means to. So you say, fui al mercado. I went to the market. Fui a la playa. I went to the beach. Fui a un restaurante. I went to a restaurant.
Repeat after me. Fui al mercado. Fui a la playa.
Fui is one of the most useful words you will ever learn in Spanish. Anywhere you went, fui a, plus the place. That is it.
You just had an incredible meal. Someone asks what you ate. Here is your answer.
Comí. I ate. Comí tapas. I ate tapas. Comí paella. I ate paella. Comí un bocadillo de calamares. I ate a calamari sandwich.
Repeat. Comí tapas. Comí paella.
Comí plus the food. Always the same pattern. Use it after every single meal you want to talk about.
You went somewhere special today. A monument, a museum, a famous place. Here is how you talk about it.
Visité. I visited. Visité el museo. I visited the museum. Visité las ruinas. I visited the ruins. Visité un pueblo muy bonito. I visited a very beautiful town.
Repeat. Visité el museo. Visité las ruinas.
Visité is perfect for talking about places, landmarks, and experiences. Every tourist needs this word.
You met someone interesting today. A new friend, a local, someone special. Here is how you say that.
Conocí a. I met. Conocí a una persona muy simpática. I met a very nice person. Conocí a Carlos en el café. I met Carlos at the cafe. Remember, when talking about meeting a specific person, you always add the little word a right after conocí.
Repeat. Conocí a Carlos. Conocí a una persona muy simpática.
Conocí a plus the person. This is one of the most personal and meaningful phrases in the whole episode.
You finally made it somewhere. The flight, the bus, the long drive, it is over. And you arrived. Here is your phrase.
Llegué. I arrived. Llegué a Madrid anoche. I arrived in Madrid last night. Llegué tarde. I arrived late. Llegué temprano. I arrived early.
Repeat. Llegué a Madrid anoche. Llegué tarde.
Llegué is the word every traveler reaches for first. The moment you land somewhere, this is what you say.
You are already building real sentences about the past, and that is a huge step forward. If this episode is helping you, please subscribe to English and Spanish Cafe right now. New episodes every single week, made for learners exactly like you.
Leave a like, too. It helps so many more people find us and start talking about their own stories in Spanish.
5 more phrases. This is where it really starts to feel like real conversation. Let us keep going.
You went shopping today and found something great. Here is how you talk about it.
Compré. I bought. Compré un regalo. I bought a gift. Compré una bolsa muy bonita. I bought a very pretty bag. Compré recuerdos para mi familia. I bought souvenirs for my family.
Repeat. Compré un regalo. Compré recuerdos para mi familia.
Compré plus whatever you bought. Perfect for every market, every shop, every souvenir story you want to share.
Something beautiful happened in front of your eyes today. A view, an event, something unforgettable. Here is your word.
Vi. I saw. Vi una puesta de sol increíble. I saw an incredible sunset. Vi el mar por primera vez. I saw the sea for the first time. Vi algo precioso.
Repeat. Vi una puesta de sol increíble. Vi el mar por primera vez.
Vi is a tiny word that carries huge emotion. Use it anytime something genuinely moved you today.
You did something today. An activity, an experience, something you tried for the first time. Here is your word.
Hice. I did. I made. Hice una excursión. I did an excursion. Hice algo nuevo hoy. I did something new today. Hice amigos. I made friends. Repeat. Hice una excursión. Hice amigos. Hice is one of the most flexible past tense words in Spanish. It covers so many activities and experiences in just one word.
Now you can ask someone else about their day too. Here is your question.
¿Qué hiciste ayer? What did you do yesterday? ¿Qué means what? Hiciste means you did. Ayer means yesterday. This question opens up real conversation and invites someone to share their own story with you.
Repeat. ¿Qué hiciste ayer? ¿Qué hiciste ayer?
And now that you know fui, comí, visité, conocí, llegué, compré, vi, and hice, you are completely ready to actually understand the answer too.
And now the moment everything comes together. A real story using everything you learned today.
Ayer fui a la playa, comí pescado y conocí a una persona increíble. Yesterday, I went to the beach, ate fish, and met an incredible person. Ayer means yesterday. And then you simply connect everything you learned with y, which means and.
Say the whole thing with me. Ayer fui a la playa, comí pescado y conocí a una persona increíble. Ayer fui a la playa, comí pescado y conocí a una persona increíble. Listen to that. You just told a complete story about your day in Spanish. That is not beginner Spanish anymore. That is real, natural conversation. Final recap. I say it in English, you say the Spanish out loud before the answer comes. Ready? Let us go. I went to the beach.
Fui a la playa.
I ate tapas.
Comí tapas.
I visited the museum.
Visité el museo.
I met Carlos.
Conocí a Carlos.
I arrived in Madrid last night.
Llegué a Madrid anoche.
I bought souvenirs.
Compré recuerdos.
I saw an incredible sunset.
Vi una puesta de sol increíble.
I made friends.
Hice amigos.
What did you do yesterday?
¿Qué hiciste ayer?
Yesterday, I went to the beach, ate fish, and met an incredible person.
Ayer fui a la playa, comí pescado y conocí a una persona increíble.
Talking about the past is one of the biggest steps you can take in any language. It is the difference between only being able to point at things right now and actually being able to tell someone your story.
And the beautiful thing is, you did not need a single grammar chart to get here. Fui, comí, visité, conocí, llegué, compré, vi, hice. 8 small words, and suddenly your entire day can become a story.
Your challenge today: go to the comments and tell us what you did yesterday in Spanish. Just one sentence using any word from today. We want to read your story.
We read every single comment, every one. We would love to hear about your day.
If this episode helped you, please subscribe to English and Spanish Cafe. Leave a like and share this with someone who is learning Spanish right now.
Hasta luego, amigos.
See you in the next one.